Hey guys, it's Chris from Heat Press Nation, and today I wanted to talk about a different type of heat transfer vinyl that you may not be expecting. It's called Caesar Brick 600 and is as smooth as EasyWeed, but is 600 microns thick in comparison to the 90 micron EasyWeed. Now, if you're looking to personalize a hat, shirt, bag, shoes, or anything with Caesar Brick, get ready for a stunning 3D lifted look in your design. Let's start by cutting your design in reverse using your vinyl cutter. I created the designs in Adobe Illustrator, then I sent them over to Leonardo Studio to cut them out. Today we'll be using the Caesar Juliet. Alright, now onto the weeding part. Caesar Brick isn't like EasyWeed, it's got a static backing, not a pressure sensitive one. So check your cut carefully to avoid any lifting issues. The material is pretty flexible, not super stretchy, but don't worry about the lifting during weeding, it'll stay down. The application process is the best part. Set your heat press to 310 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. We don't want to go too hard on it because of the thickness. For this demo, we'll apply it to the center chest of this black 100% cotton t-shirt. Preheat the shirt for a few seconds to smooth out any wrinkles and moisture. We'll just press it down for 15 seconds to cure the adhesive properly. Oh, by the way, Caesar Brick isn't a hot peel, so let it cool down completely before peeling. Patience is key, as peeling too early will lead to lifting. Now we'll do the second application on this structured baseball cap. A cool trick that you can use for this application is to tape it down. This will keep the carrier sheet in place even after pressing. Press down for 15 seconds, wait for it to cool down, and voila. Remember, it's a thick material, so it takes a little bit longer for the heat to reach the bottom and activate the adhesive. Caesar Brick comes in several colors, and it's got a matte finish. If you want a semi-gloss look, use a heat transfer cover sheet for another 5 to 10 seconds. Totally your call. Also, one more thing. Avoid layering Caesar Brick on top of each other as it won't wash well. But if you want to apply it on top of EasyWeed, go for it. It's the same process as before. For more information on Caesar Brick and other HTV, check out heatpressnation.com.